The products we are comparing today fall into two completely different categories: a reusable electric cleaning tool and original HP ink cartridges. First, the WOLFBOX MF100 electric air duster. It is a powerful cordless blower designed to replace disposable compressed air cans. With a 150,000 RPM motor and 3 speeds, it is perfect for cleaning electronics and cars. A reusable, eco-friendly solution. Unlike the cleaning tool, these HP products are printing consumables specifically designed for HP OfficeJet printers. The HP 962 and 962XL packs are compatible with the OfficeJet Pro 910 series, offering high yields perfect for office professionals. The HP 9.10XL Black is optimized for sharp text on the A210 series, while the standard 910 color pack handles occasional color printing. For newer models like the OfficeJet Pro 9110, the HP 936 cartridges deliver business-grade performance for consistent quality. In short, the WOLFBOX is for cleaning hardware, while HP cartridges are for producing documents. They serve completely different needs. Choose the right one based on whether you are maintaining your equipment or producing printed output.